Real estate marketing is a comprehensive approach to promoting properties and real estate services. It combines traditional and digital strategies to attract buyers, sellers, investors, and renters by effectively reaching and engaging the right audience. To start, branding and positioning are crucial, establishing a strong brand identity. With a consistent visual style and messaging influences potential clients' perception of the brand, guiding their decisions. A well-defined brand helps build trust and credibility in the market. Having an online presence is essential. In today's digital age, a professional website featuring high-quality images, virtual tours, and detailed property descriptions is a must. Utilizing search engine optimization, SEO, ensures good search engine rankings, making it easier for potential clients to find your listings. Listing properties on major property portals like Zillow and Realtor.com further enhances visibility and increases the chances of attracting interested buyers. Or Renters. Content marketing plays a vital role in positioning yourself or your company as an expert in the real estate industry. Creating and distributing valuable content such as blog posts, market reports, neighborhood guides, and video tours helps build trust and credibility. Sharing knowledge and insights not only attracts potential clients, but also establishes you as a reliable source of information. Social media marketing has become a powerful tool in reaching and engaging potential clients. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter allow for targeted advertising and direct interaction. Visual content, especially photos and videos, tends to be particularly effective in capturing attention and generating interest. Email marketing is another effective strategy for nurturing leads and maintaining client relationships. Regularly sending newsletters, property alerts, and personalized follow-up emails keeps you top of mind with potential clients, increasing the chances of closing deals or securing repeat business. While digital marketing strategies are essential, traditional marketing still holds value in reaching local audiences. Print advertising in local newspapers, direct mail campaigns, and outdoor advertising such as billboards and signage can all be effective in attracting potential buyers or renters in a specific area. Networking and partnerships are crucial components of real estate marketing. Building relationships within the industry and local community through events, local business groups, and partnerships with mortgage brokers and contractors can lead to valuable referrals and collaborations to effectively manage interactions with clients. Streamline communication and track leads. Customer relationship management, CRM systems are essential. These systems help automate marketing tasks, ensuring no potential lead falls through the cracks. Finally, data analytics provides insights into the effectiveness of various marketing strategies. Analyzing data from marketing activities allows you to make data-driven decisions, adjusting and optimizing your marketing efforts for even better results. In conclusion, real estate marketing is a strategic blend of traditional and digital techniques. By focusing on branding, leveraging various channels, and continuously analyzing performance, real estate professionals can attract and engage their target audience, driving successful transactions and long-term growth. For more information and to explore our available listings, please visit our website and check the contact details in the description below.